Hey guys, this is Living in West Michigan. My name is Adrian Valdez. Today we're over here at a new rehab on Madison in Muskegon, Michigan. This is inside the Muskegon School District. You got a very nicely redone 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. Brand new appliances. Countertops look great. We're not too far from the lake anywhere here in Muskegon. We're right on here, Marquette's just down the road. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Van Dyke Mortgage. Contact info will pop up here on the screen. But it was great talking to you guys. If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to myself or Van Dyke Mortgage. I'm more than happy to help you if you're looking to buy, sell, refinance, whatever you need, or just move out here